Hi, I'm Tori, I used to hide. Mean words made me want to slide, but now I've got a plan so grand. Accept myself and stand. I used to hide behind the trees when mean words try to bother me, but I'm learning something strong and grand. Accept myself and stand. Stand, stand tall and never doubt. That's what brave is all about. Head up high, shoulders free. I stand tall and I feel like me. Stands tall and I feel like me. Different